Rabies information for travelers who travel abroad to area where rabies is common. I am Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja. Rabies is a rare but very serious infection of the brain and nerves. It is almost fatal. Death rate is approximately 99% once the signs and symptoms of rabies appear. Rabies is spread to people by contact with saliva from an infected wild or domestic animal, usually through a bite, scratch, or a lick to broken skin. Rabies is found throughout the world, particularly in Asia, Africa, and part of Central and South America. Dogs are the cause of most rabies infection in people. However, all animals can catch rabies and pass it on, including cats, monkeys, and bats. Actions before travel. Check the area of holidays. Rabies is common or no. If you are doing outdoor activities, then greater risk of animal contact where medical care and rabies post-exposure treatment may not be available. Working with animal, consider course of pre-exposure rabies vaccine. Actions while you are on holidays. Avoid contact with animals. Do not touch or feed animals. Don't attract stray animals. Take good care of your children as they may touch or feed animals. Those who need medical help, if you have been bitten, scratched or licked on broken skin or mucous membranes by an animal in an area with a risk of rabies, you should immediately wash and thoroughly flush the area with soap and lots of water. Then seek medical attention locally. Do not wait until you return to the UK. Seek help even though you are vaccinated. Seek specialist advice once you are back to the UK. Thank you very much for watching this video.